Today, we've got an exciting episode lined up for you, so we dive into the realm of garage organization and storage hacks. If your garage has become a chaotic mess, fear not. We've got some game-changing tips to help you reclaim that space and turn it into a well-organized haven. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. First things first, let's take a good look at your garage. Identify the areas that need the most attention. Is it cluttered with tools, sports equipment, or seasonal items? Understanding the specific needs of your space will guide you in creating an efficient and customized organization plan. The key to a well-organized garage is decluttering. Begin by sorting items into categories: keep, donate, and toss. Be ruthless, only keep what you truly need and use. This not only frees up space, but also makes the organizing process much easier. One of the most underutilized areas in a garage, the wall space. We'll show you how to install wall-mounted shelves, pegboards, and hooks to maximize storage. This not only keeps items off the floor, but also makes them easily accessible. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, because we've got some fantastic DIY storage solutions. From creating custom shelves, to repurposing old furniture for storage, we'll guide you through budget-friendly projects that add both style and functionality to your garage. Create specific zones for different categories, such as gardening, automotive, and seasonal items. We'll guide you through the process of zoning your garage for maximum efficiency and easy navigation. And there you have it. With these garage organization and storage hacks, you can transform your cluttered space into a functional and organized haven. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy organizing.